Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to part 5 of the Apache Superset basic tutorial series. In part 4, we learned how to visualize data using donut chart in Apache Superset. Today, we will build a scatterplot chart to show the relationship between movie released year and gross income. We will also create a heatmap chart too in this tutorial. Just like in my previous tutorial, let's head over to the chart tab, click on the plus chart button to create a new chart. For the dataset, we'll select the tutorial top 1000 movie which we created in part 1 of this tutorial series. For the chart type, let's select scatterplot, then click on the create new chart. Today I will go through this tutorial a bit quickly since you already know all the process. We want to see the released year on the x-axis. And for matrix, since we need to use an aggregate function, let's drag the gross column here and select the sum aggregate function. Now simply click on the create chart button and the chart will be generated. Let's give the chart a name, tutorial released year versus gross. Now let's save the chart and we want to add it to our movie tutorial dashboard. Then click save. There isn't nothing much to cover for this specific chart configuration, so I'm going to head over to the customization tab. Just like before, we can set the title for x-axis. I'm going to add released year for the x-axis title. To ensure the text doesn't overlap, I'm setting the margin to 30. Similarly, let's set the y-axis title to gross and increase the margin too. I'm going to set 50 for the margin. Again, we can enable the data zoom option so that the chart can be scrolled interactively. The y-axis values are currently showing in millions. You could select a specific option from the y-axis format dropdown to show the exact number. But since the text tends to overlap, it is better to keep the y-axis format to adaptive formatting. Let's click on the update chart to apply these changes. Now let's go back to the dashboard tab and click on the edit dashboard. From the list on the right, drag the new scatterplot onto the dashboard, place it and click save. Next, we will create a heatmap chart to understand the correlations. Go back to charts, search for heatmap, select the heatmap chart, select the tutorial top 1000 movie dataset again and click create new chart. We can name this tutorial rating heatmap. We want released year on the x-axis and IMDb rating on the y-axis. You can see we cannot create the chart yet because the data is required in the metric field, indicating by the yellow marks that I mentioned in the previous tutorial as well. For the matrix, we want to see gross and we'll select the sum aggregate function. There aren't many other options here, so let's click create chart. You can see our heatmap chart is now created. In the customization tab, you can change the color scheme to make the chart looks more interesting. Once the color scheme is set, we can save it and add it to our dashboard. Our chart creation is complete. Let's edit the dashboard, drag the heatmap chart into the dashboard, arrange it properly and then click save. By the way, if you ever see an error message like this on the dashboard, it is usually due to a session or DB query timeout. Just click the three dots in the top right corner and then select force refresh. It will fix the error. I will show a persistent solution for this error in separate tutorial. So that's it for part 5 of the Apache Superset basic tutorial series. In the upcoming tutorial, we will continue to create more interesting charts. See you in the next video. Thank you again. Thank you for staying with me and good night.